Family is the most important thing. Be there, and listen to them. Don't just say yes, yes, yes. Listen to what they have to say and understand them. Be that someone that they can talk to tell their problems to, for you to help them solve their problem. Try to get along with them. Just try. I don't get along with my sister. My sister doesn't speak to me anymore. Try and talk to them. Try and get along with them. If they don't want to be bothered, try. Try it anyway. As long as you have your children and your family, that should make you happy. You have to love your family. You should love your family. And let's put it that way. You should love your family. The love my family shows to me is it makes me feel great. I could feel like I can do just about anything as long as I have that love. I can do anything I want to do. Or that love and the love I feel for myself. If you don't love yourself, who else is going to love you?